So it's October 14th and it's getting close to the winter or colder months, but and it's quite. Dad's changing his tires right now because we were advised that in the weather that it's gonna be snowing pretty soon, or like there's gonna be light snow. So we're able to, well, Dad's able to change, or citizens in general are able to change their tires to winter tires now from summer ones. So just in case like anything happens or something like that, or if there's too much snow or ice on the ground. So yeah.
Dang heavy. Oh, just one more.
I thought that was the last one.
Okay.
Maybe I just can't. Nothing. Never mind. I can't count. Oh. For some reason, I thought that was a bag of leaves or branches. But I can't count, so. What? Oh my god, it's so cold. Either that or I just need a new coat. What? I forgot. Okay. That's alright. Trying not to move the camera. Shivering. So, I'm sorry if the video is a little shaky. I'm shivering and I think I need a new coat.
Well, guys, instead of taking your car to the shop, we're gonna do it right here because Fabian is working at the shop anyway, so he has all the knowledge to replace tires and everything.
Oh my god, my hands are shaking.
My daughter Hannah is shivering while holding the camera because it's darn so cold right now.
I just need a new
So
coat.
what's the temperature for today?
I have no idea, but it's cold. It probably isn't. But like, most of my classmates, they're like, are you kidding? I'm wearing shorts in this weather. And I'm like, if I want to freeze to death, yeah, I would.
Ano ko na ba?
Well, if it doesn't work out for you, there's an electric one in my shed.
Yeah. Just nanay let you know that is.
Yeah, I'll let her know.
Yeah. Gusto ba ilit magumano?
Mapilis man siya.
I'm gone.
Yeah. Yeah, pagkuduan.
My feet are freezing.
That's Carl, our neighbor. So he's offering.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, he's pretty nice, but he's offering some of his equipment for us to use for changing our tires because he wanted his tire to be
You can
changed as
already
well.
see your breath. Sorry.
Right? But he's a nice neighbor, offering something every time he sees us doing something.
But like even in winter times, like in previous years, he would just like randomly like bring out his snowblower and like not even just his own, but like ours including as well. He would like try to clear the snow on ours.
Yeah. Yeah, occasionally during the winter times when the snow is heavy and my driveway is full of snow, and he's always offering that he's gonna.
Or sometimes he just does it.
He just does it. And then before I know, when I come home from work,
It's like that this year, except it wasn't snow. Instead, somebody just raked our lawn and then just left. We thought it was a prank, but no, they were serious. they just raked our lawn.
Yeah, it is nice to come home when if my finding my driveway is cleared of snow, because Carl does it.
Carl.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like a line. Carl. Sorry.
By the way, he's married to a Filipino wife. This is
Their house.
their
Their
duplex.
Duplex.
Yeah, duplex. Where my friend and
My hands
to
are
the
almost
Fabian.
the
We
same
went to the
shade.
outlet basement.
My hands are almost the same shade
Hmm?
as my feet. No, my feet. They're like great.
There? Really? See?
Look at my feet.
That's your wife.
That's
It's a little windy today, guys. The breeze is really freezing. But anyways, we try to look at the car. My car is a little, dusty. So the whole summer long, I've been thinking about cleaning them up, take it to the shop and have it cleaned. But basically, I have no time at all. Now winter comes and it's not even cleaned up yet. But anyways, before the winter comes, I guess I have to make time to have it cleaned. Once and for all. Ano ang pahulam ni Dad?
Kung hindi daw kaya ng impact ko, meron siyang impact.
Anong impact mo?
Ano? Drill.
Drill. Tiwai ka na yahaw?
Hindi. Ti ako ni iyaya electric ako niya air.
Tidin mas baskog?
Compressor na yan.
Ano na ito? Wala tandaan to?
Kaysa sunod,
Uh,
utang tanin sa nung sa ano? Front.
Sa front?
Yeah.
Oh. One tire off from the back.
Rotation. Kaya ano ni sa nung front ni sa sang ligad.
Nagligati butang sa rear.
Yeah. Kaya hindi maguba yung thread.
Baklang ko gali na ko anto.
Nang
The hub.
hub na.
Tabon na ba kay laway tsura ya.
Para sa preciso to no. Kaplak mo Andre.
Iyan ni Dada.
Kanino? Hangin ni kadala no eh.
Abi guru ay kay mo na to. May musakyan ko ay lisilis ito.
Wala lang. Pero kung legal na nang ang dapat may stoplex gito na mo niya.
Imo ya wala.
Wala. Mo pa na ay ano pa. Work.
Why are you putting them now?
Huh?
Why now?
Start. Oh, you don't know the rolls?
The what?
The rolls?
The room?
Yeah.
I know, but with the studs, you're spoiling them.
No.
Yeah.
But the starting's no right?
It's gonna start.
Well,
May I feel it's gonna start in Alberta. It's already snowing.
So what about yours when are you thinking about changing your tires?
I have them. I will change them
but if you
for
cut
both. But as long as I don't see snow on the ground, I can't. They all have studs.
but you can cut whatever, right? The caps.
What?
The caps. If you don't have snowflakes.
Oh yeah, I know the cops. Right?
Yeah.
I don't. Those are their problems. Cops and me, we are not friends.
Yeah.
I don't like cops.
That's why we change it.
They disturb.
Yeah. That one is summer tire.
Yeah, this is summertime.
Yeah. And no snowflakes. All season is no problem. Because we start changing tire on
October 1st.
October 1st.
I know, but
Yeah, me I know because I work in tire shop.
you change yours?
Oh no, that's all season.
Okay.
But this one is no snowflakes.
Yeah, this is winter. I mean some.
Nagagin.
But it's manual. But if have
Dugangan niyo mo kay kabos niya una.
Hampay ako nung nga temprano pa.
Sino gambar?
May go that.
Ay, sa dasun mo ko
Bayaw
na.
nung
Sinimana na lang. Gasno na gani.
bayaw. Samtang wala ko may nakita nga snow sa dalan, hindi ko magano. Kamo ito babihan niya ang pulis niya. Hindi kami may gaway ka pulis.
Ano na?
Hindi sila ko may gaway ka pulis. That's all the dust and the dirt coming from my car. Yeah.
For how many years natin ang
For how many years? A year.
Tayo mo dahil naman ito sa kabisi.
Oh. Yeah, because life is so busy here in Canada, even vacuuming the car is impossible in no time.
No time for life for your big.
Are you leaving me already?
So we get the girls to make at least the 3 grilled cheese for Tito Fabian, myself, and my friend Edgar. So, but yeah, it seems like we're running out of butter, but we still have a little butter there left. So I told the girls to proportion it to 3.
Oh, I'm sorry. This one's extra crispy.
Hmm?
This one's a little extra crisp. Crisp.
Oh, is that right?
Yes. And then after that, I'm gonna try and flip it on.
You know,
the
my
other.
girls are big enough already. I can't trust them for cooking.
I was gonna use
So between the 2 of them, I have the baker
Huh?
and the cook. There.
I would cook desserts every day. I would honestly cook desserts every day if I could. I can't bake for my life. I can.
Hello guys, I'm in my car right now, and if you can see, my car inside is spotless, right? Yeah, no clutters, no dust. Good morning guys. You know, me and my friend Edgar, earlier this morning we went to Home Depot to pick up additional paint for him to finish painting the railings that he built at my place. Yeah, like I said, it has to be done before the snow flies. You know, otherwise, some of the woods that we put in there aren't treated at all. So without painting it up, it's not going to last long. So after that, we checked Canadian Tire just to see what is their available seat covers for me to install them here. Because yesterday we took everything away because the seat cover that I have are old and starting ripping up. Right? So, but we ended up buying it because I love the colors. I bought 2 of these for the front seat covers, and I can't wait to install it on. And on top of that, I bought this, you know, the sleeve for my steering wheel. Isn't it beautiful? Camouflage color. But anyways, after that, I was thinking about going to Princess Auto just to check on the set of hubs for my newly installed winter tire. But it seems that I don't have time to do that for today because I have 2 other important things to do before preparing myself to work.